at home on the seven seas. Cruise liners from Meyer Werft. Ships are built in Papenburg on the River Ems for customers all over the globe. They are built in large covered dry docks. The history of the shipyard began in the center of Papenburg. Today, the old shipyard is a hotel and event center. It was founded on this spot in 1795 by Wilhelm Rolf Meyer. In 1872, Meyer Werft built its first iron ship, the Triton. Another well-known ship is the Graf Götzen, which played a role in the Hollywood film African Queen. The ship is still in operation on Lake Tanganyika. The Homeric, built in the mid-1980s, was the shipyard's first luxury liner. Never before had a ship of this size been launched sideways. The ship was later converted to the Westerdam. Since 1987, all ships have been built under the protection of the hall roof. The Crown Odyssey was the first vessel to leave the new covered building dock. Computer animation of building workflows at the shipyard. Steel construction is done in halls 7 to 9. Section construction in halls 1 to 4. Block construction and hull assembly are carried out on the two roofed dry docks. The second dock is to be extended by 120 meters in 2008. Modern shipbuilding is a complex and sophisticated industry. Three-dimensional ship design is carried out on the computer. CATIA software is also used for designing aircraft. The CAD drawings help optimize design and construction of the ship. Planning and simulation of production processes, as well as logistics, play a particularly important role. Productive on-schedule building progress is guaranteed by IT-assisted production techniques and material management processes. Almost completely automated warehousing and a transport management system developed by the shipyard itself ensure high productivity. During prefabrication, individual steel plates and profiles are laser welded to create so-called flat sections. In various production units, plates, profiles and sidewalls are joined to form sections. About 10 sections make up a block. Cabling, pipelines and air conditioning ducts are installed during section and block construction. The blocks are welded together to make up the whole ship. A ship with a registered tonnage of 90,000 consists of about 70 blocks. At the shipyard's pipeline processing center, pipes with diameters of up to 200 millimeters are processed. All automatic bending and flanging machines ensure optimal productivity. During unit construction, individual pipelines, pumps and other components are assembled into larger components, which are then installed in the ship. This clearly improves quality in mechanical engineering. High-quality prefabricated cabins simplify cabin construction considerably while also increasing quality. The turnkey cabins are transported to the ship and installed on site. Let's take another look at the construction process. Steel plates and profiles are used to make panels, and in turn, panels and walls are used to make sections, which are then joined with others to make blocks. And some 70 mounted blocks form a large cruise liner. This is shipbuilding according to the Lego principle. The Jewel of the Seas was constructed in this way on the roof dry dock. Despite the large dimensions of the shipyard hall, it is designed to minimize distances. Weatherproof production is another standard met by Meyer Werft. Scores of visitors have the chance to confirm this on site. Some 300,000 people took a tour of the shipyard in 2007. The visitor centre provides a direct view of ships under construction. In addition, the visitors find out a lot about the history of the enterprise, a family business now in its 6th generation. Whenever ships are conveyed down the Ems, tens of thousands of spectators come to Papenburg to witness the event. The construction of large and complex ships calls for qualified personnel. Prime quality is ensured by 2,500 shipyard employees, as well as those of its suppliers, numbering several thousands. The experts of tomorrow. Meyer Werft trains 270 newcomers in 12 different trades on an ongoing basis. The Silja Europa and the Pont Aven provide proof of the shipyard's know-how when it comes to building ferries. Neptun Werft in Rostock, a sister enterprise of Meyer Werft, is also successful in the river cruise liner sector. But back to the luxury liners. The Oriana and the Aurora were delivered to the British shipping company P&O in 1995 and 2000. Swimming pools, English pubs, and luxurious penthouse suites. The ships offer something to suit every taste. After intensive tests on the building dock, the ship leaves it almost completely assembled. Dock checks of all technical systems in this early phase of construction are part of the overall construction strategy. The luxury liners for NCL are equipped with modern pod drive. Thanks to this innovative technology, which allows for the engine pod to rotate by 360 degrees, it was possible to improve the maneuverability of these 294-metre-long ships considerably. A spacious wellness and fitness area, as well as comfortable suites, create a pleasant ambience for relaxation. The 4 ships of the Radiance class also set new standards for interior finishing and ship design. The ships are conveyed down the Ems to the North Sea. After numerous trainings at the computer simulator, the experienced team is well prepared for this task. In Germany, this event is always a media magnet. Thanks to the Ems barrier, ships with registered tonnages of up to 180,000 tons can be built in Papenburg and conveyed down the Ems. The new ships for Celebrity and Disney have registered tonnages of 122 and 124,000 respectively. These ships feature countless technical design innovations. The first 2 new club ships for AIDA cruises were delivered in 2007 and 2008, and 4 more will be delivered by 2012. Luxury liners by Meyer Werft of Papenburg. Dream ships which will continue to inspire people in the future as well.